Year 2013. This is again Cranford ground at Hounslow. Hounslow where in 2012 we were here doing the coverage of the Goan Festival 2012. This is 2013 where we have again come here to do the coverage of this festival. It has been wonderful. The people have been coming in crowds inside. There's a lot of fun, excitement going on around. As we have just finished with the mass, and now the people are free to go around as usual. As we can see here, all the stalls are full, and it shows the amount of crowd this morning that has come in at the moment shows that people are still yet to come, and the enthusiasm of Goans to join this Goan festival and have fun and enjoy. आयच्या दिसा दर वर्सा हे फेस्टिवल जाता, पूण आयज खास तरेन आमी पळयला त्या प्रमाणे लोकांच्यो लोक पुंजींनी भरला, इतलो दाट लोक आयला की गेल्या वर्सा पासून म्हाका दिसता गेल्या वर्सा जो पळय 9,000 जालोलो तो ह्या वर्सा 10-15,000 तरी जातलो असो अदमास आनी दुबाव आहा. As we spoke even to the president of Goan Association, Mr. Ravi Vaz, he gave us the estimate that it should go above 12 to 15,000, and hopefully so. As we can see right now here that the crowd has gone up like anything. As we go ahead, we will show you more of the coverage with all the stalls and some programs that will be going on the stage where the mass took place. So be with us and we will bring you more on this. Thank you.
For me, as I see the sunlight, for me I feel this is afternoon. गोंय आसतात कशें दिसतात. आनी आमी कुशाल तुमकां सगल्यांक येवकारतीम. A warm welcome for all of you who are here to celebrate this Thanksgiving Eucharist. Today, dear friends, we are privileged to have our bishop, most beloved, we call him because he's ever smiling and he is here with us. Bishop Alvin Barreto, the Bishop of Sindhudurg Diocese in India. And as he is here, we extend a warm welcome to him by giving a big round of applause, please.
I would like to offer this Mass for all of you and together with you to the Lord.
As we can see here, people are busy enjoying, they're having fun, they're having good time. And it's not restricted to certain things. People are nicely sitting on the grass and they are having a good time here. The food stalls which are running open now with the aroma of Goan dishes coming out. And we can see people getting all that food and other things around here. Still more to be seen. As we see, the stalls are full, they're already getting full and more. As more and more people keep pouring in, we'll be going, let's see more yet.
Goan Voice, UK, the voice of the Goans in UK, which was long back started by the editor Mr. Eddie Fernandez, who is sitting right here. He has been working hard, for the Goans. He brings out the news of the Goans wherever they are. He tries to give out all those Goans in diaspora, whatever happens to them is always published on Goan Voice. Goan Voice never gets tired. Even though he is at this age, he is working hard to bring out the news of Goa and the Goans. He never fails. He is sharp to look out for anything that happens to the Goans, and he tries to bring it out on goavoice.uk.co.uk. This is his site, which is running a predominant site in UK. And as we have here, Mr. Eddie and his wife, Mrs. Eddie Fernandez, have both put up this stall of the library books, which are all based on Goa. As we can see here right now, this book is Goa Rebound. This is what Eddie has been promoting. He is trying to promote Goa. He is trying to work for Goa. And he is working for Goa. So he is Goan Voice in UK. Goan Voice.uk. So We have here Mr. Eddie Fernandez, the editor and owner of it. He never gets tired of working for us, Goans.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Take one of these?
Yes, two here.
Thank you.
You ain't gotta worry, it's an open invitation. I'll be sitting right here real patient. All day, all night, I'll be waiting, stand by. Can't stop because I love it. Hate the way I love you all day, all night. Maybe I'm addicted for life.
As we can see now, the crowd has been pouring in and in. Unlike last year, this year it looks like we have more crowd than before. And as we can see, the whole ground is almost filled up, completely filled up. There's hardly any place. People are crowded all over. As you can see, it's not only the Goans, but everybody. Agnes Caterers. As we spoke to the owner of Agnes Caterers, Agnello Pereira, he told us that he's here after 2 years, a gap of 2 years. For the last 2 years, he never came here. But this time he's come back with a very rich aroma Goan food.
You can dig into them.
आणि आला तो लागला बघ तू 2 वर्षांनी आयला 2 वर्षांनी किती घेऊन 2 वर्षांनी गॅप घेतला आता कशा चलतात तुम्ही उचलले गोंयान ओके दे आर फ्रॉम कांसावली आणि या वर्सा तुका आदीं पळय तूं आयलो ताचे परस बरें आहा की So these are the Agnes Caterers with the choris and pav and all sorpatel and other things as usual, all Goan foods that you will find here, including Bombay Vada Pav.
맞아, 그 사이? 아니, 보통 말보다 누가 아니가 어렸을 때 먹었다 누가.
Get it, get it. Going to Jerusalem. Going to Pope Francis. So all these Goan sausages, as we can see, they look so delicious. They feel like eating them raw only. Wari khava this la. And ovot naga wari khava. Khao naga zala. Pope Francis warsa Goya tan Jerusalem घेऊन येतात. आणि हे पावटी ताणी गोंयांत हाडल्या. So these sausages are not made here, but they come from Goa. Directly made in Goa. He made it at home and he brought it here. राजबाब हे पावटी पत्र असं काय Jerusalem हाडताना.
त्रास झाले नाही किती करू एक सूटकेस तरी आखीच बाहेर राहिली दोन्ही आणि पण मोठा भाव आता हे गेल्या त्या महिन्यात गेलो आणि त्या तू पावडा घेऊन आणि एक लोट घेऊन गेलो नशिबाने मिळवली आमका
Where you get these sausages made here?
एक सांग
ठीक आहे करपाक आमकां उगवत ना आमी कामाचे मनीस
हे खंय वता गोंया?
हिंग आमी गोंयासान हाडटाय
गोंयसान हाडला.
आमकां केन्ना खावंक मेवतली.
तुका जाय जाल्यार तांची ते कातरून दिता
Louisa's Kitchen. As you can see the line of the Goan dishes here. सगळें बोल्ला पांपलेट आनी बांगडे आनी कितें म्हणून आसा रेशियात म्हणून आसतना ही आमी पयशे जाले पळय ही आतां पयशे पळय चेरुसांग म्हाका खावपाक तयार करता हांगा सो ती चेरुसांग गोंयांत हाडलेली म्हाका पळय पाव भरून दिला
नेक्स्ट प्लीज
Yes.
Rosa moja mogacie, Rosa zaun, please, na go.
cuisine from Swindon. This stall is from Swindon. They have come all the way from Swindon to London for this festival. And they have prepared varieties of food, and especially we have something special here, that is tisro. Goincho tisro koi kotta jo anga hai koi. These are the clams that this is the delicacy of Goa, which Goans are they prepare it in such a way that one will not mouth will water. So this is the tisro. Yo goin anga ni kona lagi na yo goin kotta ta goin chalo khata jo ais anga po pak mela. Tet pashin ye sasod amade engine. Ye goin kar kotta goin. Anga sabor point this one ate and chod korun yo tisro. So today we have all the Goan food, and especially the tisro. Tisro, this is something that I would really like to strive on, because this is a delicacy that you don't get here unless you prepare at home and you know how to do it. So this is Goan cuisine from there till here. They are from Mirsajwadi. Again, the year 2013, we have Royal Foods by Chef Royally. We have the Royal Food again, and this time, as we can see, the piles and piles of Goan sausages, mouth-watering sausages. In fact, you feel like eating them raw. They look so delicious and they are so fresh. You hold them in the hand and feel they are very, very fresh. And they are done by none other than our Chef Royally here. Who would be kind enough to say something. Baba, is I to Jerusalem boy? Can na kela? Iti puro time.
6 pound Royally. 6 pound.
Ni gara kela anga no?
Ni gara kela.
Anga so. Swindon.
Ami daza kam kotta. Ami daza ne around 700 kilos bolle am dadi sa.
So te buy tan kai dadu ko nango yan tan.
Na.
So kela anga. Ani ek sang maka ye to mi botta de.
Pogat inagrani misanjo goncho.
Ani ek botta de oile. कात असतात याची.
ते आम्हाला सांगू जायना. That's a secret.
So okay, so these are the sausages by Chef Royally. As we know, as we have seen him in 2012 here, as well as back in Swindon. He's come all the way from Swindon to, and he's not only that, he has also brought in the dry fish like hare baye and what is this?
Dodiare.
And dodiare,
Pare, pickle.
लोणचे, मिस्कूट, आचार म्हणटा ते आमी तें आसा, सगळें आसा हांगा हाडलां ताणी फावटी. Variety of Goan dishes can be seen. And helping him is his wife.
Always.
So, like it is, I said earlier at one of the
Dios coração velho Paulo ai moje calis refa sota Adiós coração velho Paulo ai moje calis refa sota Despedir cortear vela o solsar na casa de soltar Despedir cortear vela o solsar na casa de soltar What do
जीविताचे सोत उक्ते करून आयज आयला तुमच्या मुखार उतरां कोडू लागतली तोट
fabulous Goan food, the aroma and the richness of the fruit, the Goan food which is out here, it's so appetizing that you feel like grabbing the whole thing and eating it up. हे आमचे गोंयचे जेवण, गोंयची शीत कोडी शीत, हे आमचे सदांचे गोंयची शीत कोडी, त्या उपरांत सुंगटां, कुकराचें मांस, सामोसा पेटीजान, विसवण आसा, काटलेजी, मासाच्यो आनी हे कितें माणक्यो. प्लस आनीक जायते आहा थंयसर मांडलेले जे आमच्यान पळोवं येता हांगासर. आनी हे करपी सगळीं एका कलराचे ड्रेस घालून लेडीज अँड बिहाइंड देम आर द मेन. There's a saying that behind the success of every man there's a woman. So each man has got a woman in front as their success. So it's wonderful to see the Goan food. And we hope these people come every year for the occasions and bring more and more better food than what they have brought this time. Our the Goan website known as Nis Goenka. It's a very famous, world famous website. Nis Goenka, True Goan. the crowd as we have seen. It's overcrowded here with the people. It's not only the Goans, the other Indians and the British themselves, they are here. We have with us Anna, and whom we would ask only one or two questions, and let's see what she has to say about the Goan festival. Hi Anna, welcome to Miss Goenka. It's nice to talk to you. Can you please tell me, have you come for the first time here?
This is my first time at the festival, yeah.
How did you like it?
Oh, it's fantastic.
Did you enjoy it?
Oh, fabulous, yeah.
And what do you think in the future about this festival?
Oh, I'll definitely come back. The food selection here is fantastic. I love going food.
Have you been to Goa?
I have. I've spent lots of time in Goa.
Ah, so that's the reason why you love Goa.
Yes,
and Goa.
yes, absolutely.
What do you think in general about the people of Goa?
Oh, they're just so friendly. I went to Goa in November for 2 weeks. I ended up staying until December, and then I came back in February, and I was there until May. So yeah, I just can't get enough to Goa, and the people, they're just really wonderful.
So now overall you've been here from the morning, right?
No, I've been here a couple of hours actually.
So that means you missed quite a lot of hours.
I probably did, yeah.
So you see the crowd. What do you think of this whole crowd that is there? Why do you think they are there?
It's fabulous. I didn't realise there were so many Goans in London actually. It's incredible. Absolutely.
So all these years you were not aware of this?
No, I wasn't. I mean, I knew that there was a big Goan diaspora in England, but I had no idea there were so many. It's fantastic.
So you liked it?
Yes, very much.
In fact, I feel that you loved it.
I do. I really, anything to do with Goa.
Because I saw you very happy, smiling, and so lovely.
Yeah, that's my friend, Varun.
Yeah.
He's my friend from Goa.
Oh,
So I came to watch him. Yeah.
Which part of Goa were you?
I've been all over Goa, but I stay mainly in Panjim because I have lots of friends there. But I travel all over Goa.
Okay.
So, yeah.
I don't think you've been to my place. It's quite far. It's known as Valpoi.
Valpoi.
Yeah. No, you won't be there but that's a wonderful place.
Tell me what's in Valpoi.
It's all natural. Streams, rushing rivers, fresh water.
That's in the north.
That's in the north. You're welcome to that place also.
Maybe I will come. I have been to the north, but I haven't been to Valpoi.
Be there. Be there.
I will.
Yeah. And if I'm there, you're always welcome.
Oh, thank you very much.
Since you love Goan so much. And I would like to ask you one final question. What is your overall idea of this Goan function and the Goan that are gathered here?
I think it's wonderful to get everybody with a common love of Goa to be here and celebrate all the aspects, the music, the food. It's fabulous. Now that I know about it, I'll definitely come back every year.
Are you going to bring your friends or not?
I have brought some friends actually.
This time they are less.
Yeah, next time I'll bring them.
Thank you very much. It was very nice to have you on News Goenka, and you will be on News Goenka on the website as well as my YouTube. Thank you so much for your kind attention. It is www.newsgoenka.org.
Let me write it down.
You can open it from here. www.nizgoenka.org.
Okay, I'll pray. I'll have a look.
दोंडेकल्यान बरोवन दोरचें बुकार एकट्या तृष्णाव आपल्याक जोडटा जिविताक दिवन बरो आकार ह्या उदेशी जायत्या जाणांची सपनां जावन पावल्या साकार एक मनीस नांव जोडटा तेन्ना लोक उगडास कोत्ता तो मनीस म्हूण अमक्याच गांवचो जल्माच्या गांवची गोडवी काय सांगून तुमची गल्फाक आसल्या तुगडास येता तुजो सांगो नाका आनी थोडे रोडले दुकानी आमच्या गांवान वालोर उणो आमचो संवसार तूं जिखत आपल्या गांवान नांव नासत तर सांग तुका रेस्पेद खुंयचो एक मनीस नांव जोडटा तेन्ना लोक उगडास घेता थंयचो सांगो नाका आनी थोडे रोडले तुकांनी आमच्या गांवान वालोर उणो आमचो संवसार तूं जिखत आपल्या गांवान नांव नासत तर सांग तुका रेस्पेद खंयचो फुडार आपलो करूंक जाय तें सांग गांवांनी सोयरी को सोदूंक भोंवता वाड्यान बरें गुणाचें चेडूं आसा तोरूय भायल्या चेडवांक सोदून हाडटा पूण त्या चेडवाचे तो नोको उपरांत तकलेर हात मारून रडटा आपल्याच गांवच्या चेडवाक हात दिवन संवसार करूंक बी सोदता आंडिराचो चेडो सोदता सगलो वाडो हाडून तुका सांगातीन हो एग्जाम्पल करो तियात्रिस्तांकूय बरो नियाड करूंक मोतीन तियात बरो तुजो चलता गांवांत एक फेस्त आसता भायले आटोले व्हडल्या वतीन बरो कांतोरीस आसोन तियात्रांनी नांव गाजोन आपल्याच गांवांत चान्स मेळोवंक कोठीन आंडिराचो चेडो सोदता सगलो वाडो हाडून तुका सांगातीन हो एग्जाम्पल करो तियात्रिस्तांकूय बरो नियाड करूंक मोतीन तियात बरो तुजो चलता गांवांत एक फेस्त आसता भायले आटोले व्हडल्या वतीन बरो कांतोरीस आसोन तियात्रांनी नांव गाजोन आपल्याच गांवांत चान्स मेळोवंक कोठीन
Down of the Goa festival at Goan festival at Cranford Hounslow. And today we have decided to talk to this year's president of the Goan Association in Hounslow, and let us see what he has got to say. So Ravi, once again welcome to News Pointer. As in 2012, we are back in 2013 to ask you some questions now towards the end of the day. I know how busy you are, but you have to spare this time for me so that we can wind up the whole program tomorrow. Without your winding up, it would have been very difficult to close down. So could you tell me what do you feel about this year's overall performance of the functioning of the?
We have definitely improved over last year, as you can see. We've improved on the sound. Last year we had a crowd of 9,000, and I said in my last year's interview that we aim to get bigger and better. And we have. You've seen the crowd this year. It's 10,000-15,000 people. And should I say 20,000 for next year? Maybe, maybe not. Only next year can tell. But I have my faith in the crowd now, and the crowd has faith in us that we can put on a show. And I'm glad that the Swindon Goans have come back again to support us in numbers. If I take a count of the number of coaches just in front of me, I can count to around 10 coaches, and I hope next year we have 20.
Yeah, we heard about a lot of people coming from Swindon, and this time everybody was satisfied from the talks going on. And we saw the crowd was huge, like you said, 15 to 20,000, which means overall your working or the arrangements this year were good, and everything was on time.
Yes,
right?
That's right.
So what do you expect next year now of this?
Next year, actually this year, we had a career guidance program once again for the benefit of the youth. We also had a free diabetes testing center sponsored by Star Charity for the diabetes. We again plan to get more sponsors on board as we move along and promote various artists from Goa. We had Varun Carvalho who came, and I'm sure he made us proud on stage. We had Forefront, again flown down from Goa. Again, this shows how much we are doing for the Goans to promote their talent internationally. And all of the artists, they now look forward to performing once again next year, and everybody had a good time. I'm sure the show is still going on. It should go on till around 7:30, 8 o'clock, if the crowd doesn't allow it to stop, because the crowd is still going wild. You can hear them having a good time. And I wish Ms. Goinkar, again, all the very best. and thank you for all your support that you have done.
Yeah, no problem. You're welcome, Ravi, and we are very happy that we have been able to come here and do the coverage up. We are getting a lot of work now to put up the news and other things right away.
I'm happy to have you back and look forward to having you once again next year.
Yeah, I will certainly be there with my teammates and all my team, and I would also like to thank you. Before I go, just one more question: that how do you feel the behavior of the people this year
I must say the behavior of the people was absolutely spot on. I'm proud of our fellow Goans, proud of their behavior, and overall the crowd has been very cooperative. Everybody enjoyed, had a good time, and going home safely. And I wish them all a safe journey. I know Swindon is a far drive down, and I wish them they reach home safely.
There is one thing to request you, because I have been receiving a lot of emails. I can say more than 500 or 600 emails requesting me to talk to you, especially with your name.
Okay.
And to request you to get Mr. Florian Lubovko Suraj Party next year for the function.
We can definitely look at it. If you can put on a request, we can definitely look at it. We are definitely.
It's not my request; it's the request from the people.
Yes,
who are the ones.
Definitely. If you put on your request for next year, we can start looking at that.
And I can assure you, it is more than 500 emails. I can give you in writing in blood if you want to. But it is more than 500 emails that were asking me to talk to you, and in that almost more than 100 emails contain your name to contact you.
I'm glad the people are looking up to the Goan Association for the support, and the Goan Association is again here to support the people of Goan origin and to support the various causes within Goa.
So thank you very much, Ravi, and I wish you all the best. It was a wonderful and it was a pleasure to be here to do the coverage, and I hope to come and do it next year. If God so wishes, if we are all alive and fit and well, we'll be here.
We look forward to having you back again.
99.9% I'll be here to do the coverage again, and I wish you all the best and keep it up. It's a good job that you have done. It's a good work, and my my compliments to your whole committee members. And always you all are welcome on News Goenkar if you have anything.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure giving this interview on News Goenkar and being a part of it.
Dev Bare Guru.
Dev Bare Guru.
आपल्या गावांना बोरे धरून बोंगले बांधले जायत्या जाणांनी लोकांचे धरून बोंगले बांधले म्हूण नांव पिड्यार कोत्तात खोबरांनी कितले व्हडले गांवान नांव तुका आसत गांवान रेस्पेद ना भावांनी जेजू पासून आपल्या गांवान येवकार दिवंक ना त्या लोकांनी जे आमच्या जिवितान घडटा जेन्ना तावयो आमकां पडटा बरें कांतार मुटलें म्हूण गांवचे ताळयो मारून दिसता भायले वालोर तुजो पुता बऱ्या कंपनींगाचें चिंतून मनान मजा दिसलें देखून कांतार अशें मुटलें काळजांतली भावना गुंतून
फर्स्ट टायम गोवा डे गायला आनी हांव जानेराकूच लंडनाक पावला पूण हे भाशेन गोवा डे जाता म्हणून आयकोन खूब पाटी जाणा आसलो आदीं पूण फर्स्ट टायम हे पाटी पयला हांवें.
Okay, here we are standing with Marcia Pereira, the owner of Royal CNM Travels in Swindon, where she is the one who arranged about 4 buses for the people to come over here. So let me ask a few questions to Marcia about how she felt about the whole thing. Marcia, could you tell me, you arranged all these buses. What's the amount of trouble that you took to do all this? How do you feel about it?
Well, we had to contact the coaches first to see that we get the right amount of coaches and then do the advertisement, see how much money we could give, discounted rate, which we did for £10, which people felt reasonable. And I was quite happy with the amount of people who booked with us. I did it together with my husband, Cedric Pereira, as well. So it was a good success, and I'm happy people enjoyed as well.
So are you satisfied that your efforts and everything was rewarded?
Yes, it is rewarded. We did about 1 month arrangement, so it's rewarded. I'm happy.
What about the people? Did they come on time, and did you leave the buses on time?
Yeah, most of the people, they came on time, and we did a bit of arrangement to announce what time we will leave it and things like that. So they did come on time and we left on time. And one bus has already left, so that was done on time as well, and we are going to leave the other 2 buses as well on time.
So everything was okay, there were no problems of any kind at all?
No, hopefully not.
And what about the Goan festival itself?
Goan festival was very good, yet only thing, the showers of blessings a bit interrupted the enjoyment, but there was sunshine as well to enjoy. The lovely Goan food was good, and children enjoyed with the games, and the entertainment was well organized as well.
I guess maybe this question is a bit off the topic, but I would like to ask you, I guess you all are getting one Kongani Theatre in Swindon.
Yes.
When is the theatre and what is the name of the theatre?
It's called Government of God, and it's going to be held on 3rd of August around 6:30 at Wyvern Theatre, Swindon.
Okay.
And the ticket will be £13. If you all need to book it, you all can contact us.
Okay, thank you very much. Is there anything else that you would like to say regarding today's function and how your operation went smoothly, and would you like to say anything more on it?
No, but also I can say that we also book flights and things like that to Goa, to Asia and all around the world as well. So if you all want to fly anywhere, or you all want to go on a cruise package, or book any accommodation or something, you all can book all your travel plans with us, and you can contact us on 07840265814 or on our landline 01793331687. Thank you.
Thank you, Marcia. The team of News Goenka would like to thank you. And we are happy that you spoke a few words on this in front of the camera.
My pleasure.
And we are very happy that you are in so many things and so nicely. We wish you all the best and all the success in your future as undertakings, whatever you do. May God bless you all.
Thank
and
you.
thank you very much once again.
Thank you.
Thank you.